My name is Amanda Voss. I'm in the Diagnostic Medical Sonography program here at Keiser in Lakeland, Florida.
My name is Reagan and I'm also in the DMS program.
I chose the sonography field because my mom is also a sonographer and she owned her own business, and I would always go and be hands-on. I thought it was so cool just to talk to multiple people throughout the day and, just be there for people and actually make an impact.
I have gotten an ultrasound before and I thought it was really cool, and I said I want to do that when I was in high school, and ever since then that was my goal. I chose Keiser because whenever I came to look at their DMS program, I saw their lab and I saw how advanced their technology was and how big their lab was.
I feel our professors actually care about our education, and not just, our education, but our emotions and how we feel. And if we're ever struggling, I feel very comfortable to go to our professors. They're always there for us.
They created a great foundation to our education in the first month and a half. They created that relationship with you that felt personal, but also very educational. You can go to them for anything.
My long-term goal is work at a hospital. I want to personally do general and learning more and growing in the field.
One of my long-term goals is to find a hospital or somewhere outpatient, somewhere that feels like family and that's a really good work environment.
This is very time consuming. You're either all in or all out, but if you put that time in and you stay focused and you lock in and this is your dedication, you will get through.
Pay attention in A&P 1 and 2. And right when you're done taking physics, go take your SPI, don't wait. And to find a friend to do everything with you that you can study with, because we couldn't do it without each other.
That part.